Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to subscribe any page on your Snapchat app. So if you like any content on Snapchat, you can subscribe that particular page on Snapchat. First you need to open that particular story section, and here you will see lots of story. In my case I had selected that story, and if I want to subscribe that particular 60-second or less page, I will click on the button, and here you can see that subscribe button will be shown, and if I want to subscribe that particular page, I will click on subscribe. Now that particular page has been subscribed. If I want to check whether it is subscribed or not, I will see that particular page, and now you can see that our action has been done and this page has been subscribed. So this is the way to subscribe any page on your Snapchat app. I hope this guide was helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.